Welcome back to Cause 3D. So I wanted to do a very short build on the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber that the Galactic Armory just released. It is capable of holding electronics in it, and just so happened I had some electronics. So let's get to the build. All right, so there you have it. It was a quick one-day easy build, and I did resin print it. And the Galactic Armory files you can on their website for this piece. It's a great piece. I'm not sure exactly who designed it, but it is a very, very well thought out, well designed piece. I will say that holding an actual blade and attaching a blade, it is obviously not combat ready, which I didn't expect it to be, but it will look great on my wall, and it does light up, so you know, we're good with that. So thanks for joining us today. Make sure that you like and subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.